and he is locked in mental institution. So now, I'm sure with everything you'll be like, wow, people are making money through this NFT. Yeah, there's a lot. You can create a digital art, you can make money off it and all. Now, how do you buy or sell them? And non-refundable tokens (NFTs) are unique digital tokens in the blockchain network. As we know, the value is based on what someone is offering to pay for it. So demand prices. The popularity of non-fundable tokens (NFTs) has risen tremendously over the past few months. Those who have realized the potential of NFTs at an earlier stage have made significant profitable investments. For those who didn't, now might be a good time to learn about NFTs. The hype surrounding NFTs has inspired several people to turn their art forms into digital tokens. There is a similar rush among buyers for those art collectibles. In simple terms, NFTs are digital tokens in the blockchain network. The blockchain is an underlying technology in which cryptocurrencies work. The token sensation of anything ranging from a JPG file to music to a tweet can be turned into NFT. It is any digital collectible that can be conceived to hold value. The name non-fungible comes from the fact that each token is unique and cannot be exchanged for exactly alike. Jack Dorsey, the billionaire founder of Twitter, recently turned his first ever tweet into NFT, which sold for $2.9 million. This is an example of an NFT. Let's go through this. From CryptoPunks to PetPunk, NFTs has become the largest crypto story of 2021. And even though NFTs market aren't exactly Amazon when it comes to ease of use, buying your first digital collectible isn't hard. It just requires a little guidance. Coin-based NFT, a peer-to-peer marketplace that will be minting, purchasing, showcasing, and discovering NFTs easier than ever, is coming soon. You need Ethereum compatible crypto wallets and some ETH to get started. Buy some ETH for an exchange like Coinbase and send it to Coinbase wallet, which is separate from the main Coinbase app. You can download it. Follow these simple instructions. Now this is how you can easily create your wallet. Now you come to the end of the class. I hope you gain a lot of NFT, non-fungible tokens. We talked a lot about it. Thank you very much.